Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how I made this beautiful earring. I was about to throw away this gallon. We call it gallon in Nigeria. I was about to throw it away when the thought came to use it to make something, and that is how I came about using it to make earring. Guys, if you want to see more tutorial like this, engage with this video, comment below, like, so that I can make more of this video, guys. So this earring, you can make different colors of it. You can embellish it with cover button, with rhinestones. You can really have fun with this. This is a creative something, so there is no good way or bad way of doing. Just make it unique for you. And with this being said, let's dive to the tutorial, guys. These are the materials needed for this earring. Your plastic, then you need your spray gum, acrylic spray gum. This is brown. You can get any color of your choice. You need your wood. You see this wood, I cut it in the middle to this extent. You see, I cut it to the middle to this extent, like 1 inch in. I cut it. Then you need your jewelry tools. Then you need your wire. You need your chain. You need your ring. You need your ring for the earring. You need your gum and your cuttle. You need this one. It's called the electric heat string. Electric heat string. I wrote it here. And you need your acrylic colored spray, which is this one. Before you make your earring, you get your materials ready, so that you won't have problem in the process of making it. So what I will do now, I'll cut this plastic. I'll cut it because it's when I was about to throw away this plastic, that is when I thought, I can use it for something, you understand? So then I kept it. So I'm going to do this 4 inches in the circumference. I will use this my pin, put it in 2 inches. This is to mark the circumference. Then I will mark it circumference. Then I will do the same thing to this way. Then after rolling it, I will cut it. So I'll put my pin in the same place I put it before. So I will do it 1/2 this time. 1/2 divided by 2 is 0.75. So I'll put it in 0.75. You see this place I nailed before. I'll put my ruler there. Then I will roll. Then I'll put my ruler there. This place I nailed before, I will roll. Then I will measure the middle. Then I'll connect. Then you see this small circumference I did inside. Let me just rule it out for you to see. Okay. This small circumference I'll cut from here. Not from the middle, but from here. You see? After doing this, I'll cut off one. Cut off this one, leave this one. Cut off this. Leave this one. Then I will straighten it and cut off the edge. You see, I'll cut off the edge like this. Because it's circle, it's flare. So I'll remove that flare effect. Then I will take this, my wood. I'll put it in the middle. Then I will roll it up. You see? Then I will take this. I will use this to melt it. Then I will wait for it to cool down. Then I will remove it, you see. Then I will do the other one the same way. Then I'll remove it. First, what I will do, I will use hot gum to secure this place. I will use hot gum to secure it so that it will not be raising. So I'll put gum at the back like this. You do it very fast so that it doesn't get cold. Then you put your iron. Then you put this. Then you hold it same way. Very fast. If you don't do this fast, the gum will get cold. You do it very fast. Then you put your iron. Then you put this at the back. Then you hold it to cool. Then you look for a place to hang it to spray it. Then I will leave it for this side to dry. After this side is dried, I will turn it and spray the other side. Let me just say like 15 to 20 minutes to dry. You see the earring is dried now. See it. I'll cut the wire. Then roll it. So I'll cut my chain. If you want to do it longer chain, you can. You see, if you want to do it longer chain, you can. You can do whatever you like. This is a creative something, you know. So I'll cut it. I just need a short chain like this. Then I will open the ring. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and on the notification bell. And tell me what you want to see next on this channel. Thank you guys. Bye.